What's this?
Isn't always.
I mean, do we? Sooner we win this war, sooner Loxley there gets. He's reloading.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Be back in a minute.
Move! Where's Clayton? Where is he?
If he's not dead, he wishes he were. Leave him to it.
Clayton!
Fool, but alive! We can't just leave it! That's your call! No! It's an order!
They're coming like bloody low!
Troop movement!
Get up! I'm begging you. What are you doing?
My duty, Loxley. We have no say a prayer for him.
Salim! Let him live! Stay there! Let him live! Everything! He knows nothing.
I want to save your son. Give me something. Give me something the day before last. Something else.
I don't have anything!
You can't. Stand down, Loxley.
Salim!
Hold it! No, I'll kill you!
Put him down!
Put this worthless toff on a hospital boat back.
I got you something. I want to know you're there while I'm gone.
Stay alive.
Shutting him off the starboard! Back here! Sherry shoulders!
Swim above his foot!
Business! You tried to kill me!
I don't always between much.
She is beautiful.
And so this must be hell! You want to know what hell is? I lost my hand in this war. You're powerless.
on these bars. Today, they face the near. They regard us here in Nottingham as the far end and strangle our church, our children. That's why my war tax, it's the bank and beating hard irks his duty by not paying his fair share. Everything that they have. I move we send here what a breaking point is until you've seen combat.
Sir, Sheriff, yes, no, he's a...
So you saw him?
No, I didn't say... Oh dear.
Well, then the vote must be delayed until the
Get even.
I want to take the sheriff down. I want to hit him where it hurts.
One thing keeps him...
You mean what he takes from the commoners for the war effort?
Knife through it. Vengeance for you.
I'm Robin.
Yakim. No.
Me. Second coming.
Yeah, well, before yet, you could fire 2 arrows a second.
Beg your pardon?
You've killed hundreds of us.
Please.
I said shoot me. Too slow.
Okay.
This war will be fought up close.
Relax your grip. Allow the bow to rest in your palm. Try the other side. It will save you a second on the reload.
Again. Fast. Yes, Chief.
Yeah. And I'm going to show you how.
Left. Arrows.
English.
Hey, shut up. You're not making it any easier, you know.
Yes. Fight with stealth. Strike from the shadows.
What else you got?
You cannot go see the sheriff in those rags. You must donate to his war effort.
So,
To follow the money, you must gain the trust of the sheriff. Down the toll bridge.
now you're talking, John.
I'm glad you...
Thank you.
You wanted to steal.
Nottingham, you need to pay the toll. Not the car. You have to pay the shit. Come on, old man, cop it up.
Shall I count to 10 before...
You're up late.
In response to the robberies. It complicates our plans.
Bag of coins left at my door.
By the hood.
Guess I'm flattered.
You should be.
This is a nice ass on this hook. This hook. Get her up.
Protocol as per the sheriff. All collections are no longer to be stored in the vault. They go...
big.
No days off English. You rest when you're dead. He's coming because whatever he's come to tell the sheriff, we must hear it. Perfect place to put the Loxley charm to the test.
It's good you came. I thought you might hear as to the political astuteness of tossing. And we must take it. And you and Rob.
Tuck, I know.
In an audience with the cardinal. John, I've got this.
Wow.
Lord Lock.
The rich.
So did you run out of prisoners to execute in the...
Elusive prey now.
Enjoy the party.
Rich to give to the poor? He's taking the piss out of the whole damn natural order.
I wonder if he isn't a veteran. Huh? Adaptable under fire.
You created the conditions for it.
Oh yes, a sweet scourge of many a town hall.
That's what counts.
Shouldn't wander off too far, my love. And we both know the poor need strong leaders, like us.
Juice all over your thing there. Let me run.
Get off me!
Sorry.
Get off!
Sorry.
I have no doubt you'll have the hood. It takes a thief to catch a thief.
Let's start with where did you even get these?
That doesn't matter.
However you came by these, it wasn't honestly. Okay, I'm gonna take these to the sheriff, give him a chance to explain for himself.
I'll weigh all your politics.
This could ruin my political future.
Will, I'm talking about action.
Insults. Them laughing behind my back so that I can pull myself up.
You're scared.
What?
They'll follow the hood.
Everybody will pay what they owe! It's treason!
You take the front.
It's Gizball! Turn! Turn! Hold on! John! Keep it steady!
Disguise?
Well, they fooled everybody else! We're really going to do this now! Get down!
Hold it!
traitor!
Will. Mrs. Hillman.
What happened last night will happen again and again. They will keep on coming.
Will, we should stay and fight.
With what? You can fall back and live.
You've got another choice.
The sheriff to declare war on us. You have no voice here. On high to tell us, the peasants, what to do. Well, let me...
Left my heart. I'm guessing you'd be up for a little redistribution of wealth? I don't know what their scheme is, but I'm willing to bet that it's your money bankrolling it. Who's really the thief? I was Robin of Locksley. Now I really don't care what you call me, thief or lord. Each and every one of us has to stand up, or we all go under.
How can we find shelter?
I couldn't say this to you before.
£1,000 for the man who brings me on!
Right, Will!
Get me through that goddamn fire!
Was that supposed to happen?
Taking my money! Gisborne! Down there!
Save my life back in the desert. I'm not going to take yours now.
I am God's true soldier!
Where's Will? He should be here by now.
He knows the plan. We... Will! It's okay.
Get out of my sight! Go!
Running! No more hiding! And it's sacrificing myself!
Nothing else you could be doing. Into a lot of trouble, boy.
Oh, your troubles. What will do when it finds out you're a traitor?
Send Marion off to be bred by savages in Arabia.
Not anymore.
You are a hard man to kill, John.
Okay, there. And this does make us outlaws, so if anybody...
Giddy to find myself an outlaw.